Hi, this is Shandra. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Watchminder 3. I haven't used a Watchminder since I think maybe the 1 or 2, so if you haven't seen the 3 model, let's open it up and see what's inside. First off, it comes in a metal tin. This is nice. Okay, lid off. Looks like we've got a piece of foam. And we've got the instructions right here. They look the same as at least size-wise as the old one. All right, we've got the watch right here. All right. Looks like the older models of the watch looks exactly the same as the Watchminder 2 and the original Watchminder that I've seen. They haven't really changed much about the screen. Obviously this one is black. It comes in a variety of colors. Okay, we've got a charging block with a USB end. We've got USB to micro USB cable. And this is really what I was interested in about why I was doing this unboxing video, is what the charging device looked like. So I've got the foam cutouts in the box. I've got everything out of it. This is empty now. This is new, okay? For a while, the Watchminder had a clip that kind of clipped onto the back of it. And it was very proprietary. If your clip broke, you had to order another one. Obviously, this little thing is the same deal, right? Very proprietary. I've never seen anything like this before. Let's see. So you plug the micro USB into this end. Ooh, it's a really tight fit. Huh. I'm going to read the instructions before I force this all the way in. But okay, we've got kind of like the new, smartwatches. There's a pad here where you put the watch. Okay, got a metal end on this end of the watch and the metal end on this end of the charger, so I'm going to assume it goes in this way. And there we go. Clicked in to charge. You can see the back. I've never loved this, and I certainly don't like this any better than I like the clip one. I really think the easiest solution would be to put a micro USB slot in the side of the watch. I don't know why they keep doing these little proprietary things, but this feels, although it's firmly in here, this feels like it's gonna be easy to snap these pieces off. I don't know if you can see here that it's sitting inside these plastic grooves. So I'm not in love with that, but I'm gonna charge this and I'll let you know what I think. And I'm gonna have to check the manual to figure out why this end won't go in there without a lot of force. So I will get back to you. Okay, I was able to get the Watchminder plugged in. I ended up having to go get a different micro USB cord. I could not get the one that it came with to plug into the hole. So I don't know how well you can see this, but I've got some charge to it now, and this is what the screen looks like. So I'm gonna do a different video where I'm gonna go through the manual and talk about some of the features of the Watchminder 3. Hope this helps.